Top 5 tips for safe and sustainable workout progression.
Discover how to advance your fitness routine while keeping injuries and burnout at bay. These 5 practical tips will help you achieve steady, long-lasting results, whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete.
1. Increase intensity gradually.
Avoid jumping too quickly into harder workouts. Progress by increasing weight, reps, or duration by no more than 10% each week. This allows your muscles, joints, and cardiovascular system to adapt safely and reduces the risk of overuse injuries.
2. Prioritize rest and recovery.
Give your body time to repair itself. Schedule at least 1 or 2 rest days per week and incorporate techniques like stretching, foam rolling, or gentle movement on non-training days. Proper recovery supports muscle growth and long-term performance.
3. Listen to your body.
Pay attention to pain, fatigue, and unusual discomfort. Pushing through sharp pain or ongoing exhaustion can lead to serious injuries or burnout. Adjust your workouts if needed and seek expert advice if issues persist.
4. Vary your routine.
Mix up your exercises to prevent boredom and overuse injuries. Try new activities, switch up intensity, or rotate muscle groups. Adding variety challenges your body in healthy ways and keeps your progress on track.
5. Fuel smart and stay hydrated.
Support your workouts with balanced nutrition and enough water. Eating the right nutrients before and after training helps energy levels, recovery, and muscle growth. Staying hydrated aids performance and reduces the risk of cramps or injuries.
Achieve lasting fitness with smart progression.
Okay, safe and sustainable progress is key to reaching your fitness goals. By following these tips, you can make consistent improvements while keeping your body strong and healthy for the long run.